Assalamu alaikum and welcome everyone. As you all know, that in the last video we see that how to handle requests and what are post methods and what are get methods. Uh, Now in this video we will see how to use Postman. If you are not familiar about Postman, just go to Google and write Postman download and go to the first URL. After that, you will see at the bottom of the page that download Postman. Or yeah, here is the download button. Just click on this button, and your setup will be downloaded. And after that, you can install that your Postman. Currently, I already have Postman, so I'm not going to download and install. Just give let me open this. It takes some time. Just a second, multiple seconds. Now, these are the interfaces of Postman. This is our file. Uh, Now here you can click, and these all are the request methods that you can use. We discuss get, post, put, patch, delete, and almost all of these methods we will discuss in our series. And just let me show you how we can use this. So if I go to this icon and create new tab, now here I can write the same URL that we use in our browser, which is HTTP localhost 8000 for our uh, homepage. As you can see in our code, we write that if the user are on the root, we will return hello from the homepage. So first start node our server. Now as you can see, our server is started, and when I hit the request and now here you can see that 404 not found. So why it is happening? All right, because uh, in this we set request.method equal to post, but here we selected that our method is get, not post. So that's why none of these conditions true, and at the end we got 404 not found. So if I change this method and our server is start again automatically, now if I hit the send request, then it will give our hello from the home page, because it is in we have different formats also, uh, just like pretty raw preview. I go to preview, then here it will give the same output, or it is same as we saw in our browser last time. So if I go to localhost 3000, sorry 8000, and here if I want to see what we will get, then here it is the hello from homepage. It is same as we got in our Postman. But if we have a browser and we do the same thing, then why we need Postman? So the answer is that in browser you have you has only access of get request, because browser by default do get request. But in the Postman allows you to handle different methods also, such as post, put, patch, delete, and we will discuss how these all are different and what are each of them purposes. So this is the thing now. If I go to about, if I go to about page, then we see what we will get. Hello from about page. Amazing. But what if we do not define any route and want to send request? Then in that case, we got 404 not found. And here you can see that it will also show us, it also shows 200. Okay. So what is this? This is the status code. So the status code is something that represents uh, how our PI request behave, whether it is fulfill or it is uh, it gave error. And for indicating this kind of things, we have some standards, which is status code, which indicates by status code. So in the next video, we will continue this. Till then, keep learning and keep exploring.